AR really does allow for students to learn in a more interactive and engaging way, and really just creates better retention and understanding of the content being presented to them. So those are kind of the ways that I see that it's enhancing our learning experience for our students.
Seeing them engage and want to try that and see math comes to life, that is really rewarding.
I found that it was pretty seamless and easy to incorporate it into the material I'd already prepared earlier in the year. It just gave me something extra, and I'm always looking for that extra thing that can help them to understand a topic